Hello, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. Today I'm going to make this ambada dal. Taken the tur dal, just washed it, and I'm going to cook it in the cooker. The dal, it cooks fast. After that, I'm just going to temper it. For this ambada dal, if you add some peanuts, it's going to be super. Soak some peanuts, and I'm going to add to this. So a lot of people, what they do is they add the green leaf also into the pressure cooker, but there's a problem. When you cook the greens in the pressure cooker, they'll discolor and it doesn't look good. You want the greenness to remain. I'm going to cook this dal, and the ambada leaf, that is the sour greens, what we call gongura, I'm just going to cook it in the oil. First, let this dal cook. The dal is nicely cooked. Here, add some oil, and we're going to give a tempering with nice red chilies. These red chilies, after slowly cooking along with the greens, they also taste good. After the oil is hot, we'll add mustard seeds, let them crackle, cumin seeds, and a little bit of fenugreek seeds. The way we add in sambar, not too much. Then add the red chilies. To this, add garlic. You also can add onions, but today I'm skipping the onion. To this garlic, add a little bit of turmeric. And now, I'm going to add the curry leaf and the fenugreek. Curry leaf is just to add one more greens to it, and in this, the ambada leaf, the sour greens. You don't want to cook the greens for a long time because you want the green color to retain. Now we're going to add the dal along with the peanuts cooked well. Dal is one fantastic thing. We pretty much have dal every day at home, and we make variations of it. Make it with palak, make it with any kind of greens, it tastes perfect. Let's bring this to a boil, and the dal is ready. And the peanuts will give very nice flavor. In this, add salt. Just make sure you add the right amount of salt, and then the dal will be too good. The dal is all perfect to enjoy. The sourness will make it really, really special. Just have it with rice. Aha. With all those peanuts, it'll taste just too good. Perfect. This dal, after soaking for a while, the red chilies also will taste really good. You can adjust the consistency of this dal, but let me tell you, this is one of my favorite dals, and with that little bit of sourness and the peanut, this will taste just fantastic. Dear friends, keep saying VahRehVah and enjoy life.